doing?
All right.
My name's Alan. Pleasure to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
This is my 74 Crown. Do you want to go ahead of me or?
No, they'll follow you.
Okay. Yeah, 74 Crown. I bought this as is, so I've converted 4 vehicles, but I didn't want to do another one, so I bought this as you see it. So all I've done to it really is mechanical stuff like all the hoses, the belts, the fluids, and just to make sure it's reliable. That's pretty much it. But this is how it was really. I've started pulling the bathroom apart, but I've still got to redo that. It's a 74. It's got the 671 Detroit diesel in the middle, which is a great engine. So stick shift, 5-speed, heavy clutch.
Yeah.
This makes a double. This makes a small double. Typical stuff: fridge, freezer, cooker. A cabinet maker did the interior in the 90s, I believe, and he did a really good job. It's all solid wood. I'm not sure what the wood is, but it's all solid. And it was set up for a family, so it's got 4 bunks. So it's great for kids, because they had kids, I guess.
Yeah, the top bunks you wouldn't want to sit up too fast.
I think it's for small children, but they would love that. It didn't have a ladder, so I'm sure they had one at the time.
All right. You said bathroom was in here?
Yeah, you're welcome to it. It needs a lot of work. I've ripped everything off the walls. I've got to redo that. So I'm in the process. That's why I came here, to get some ideas, really. There's some beautiful bathrooms out here. And there's my main bed back here with more storage. Tons of storage in this thing. So it still needs a bit of modernizing here and there. The floor I want to redo.
That's a pusher, right?
No, the engine's in the middle.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
I forgot.
They have it on its side too. You probably know that 671's running that way,
yeah,
like a pancake engine.
I've seen a few.
Yeah, so great engines.
Not many, but I've seen a few.
They're getting pretty rare actually. I'm surprised there's 4 Crowns here. I'm really surprised. It's great.
Well, I always like the looks of them because of the curve.
Exactly. Yeah. They're just classic looking vehicles, I think, and you know, they're getting rarer and rarer, so I love this thing. I'm really happy with it. And mechanically it's fine, absolutely fine. Drives great. I'm about to replace the rear tires though, but that's probably $2,000 right there. But it needs doing. They're getting pretty old. Any questions? I got 2 solar panels on the roof if anyone's interested. 2 100 watts. Inverters down there, I think it's 2,000 watt. The controller for it's all there for the panels, and that's all I added really. So I had some solar.
What do you have for batteries?
I have 2 deep cycle 6-volt for the house and a big 8D for the engine. But I think the 8D is slowing down because it was stored in Arizona through the summer, and you know what the heat's like. It seems to be turning a little bit slower on this trip. So, and it might be old anyway. But I think I got to bite the bullet.
Yeah, they don't last forever.
I know. I don't know how old it is either, so it could be pretty old. So.
Yeah.
I talked to a guy though. He mentioned about replacing it with 231s instead of getting, you know, the 2 smaller batteries, because it's. I mean, this thing weighs about 100.
Mine's got 3 batteries.
Oh, does it? Okay.
Yeah, so I buy 3 at a time.
Oh, do you? Okay. So I haven't decided yet. It just turns a little bit slower than it used to. So.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I've not had any issues with this thing. It's been solid. You know, and it gets tons of attention wherever you go, obviously.
Yeah.
People ask questions.
There's not many here. I think there's
exactly.
Maybe 3, maybe 4.
There's 4 here right now.
Yeah.
None of us knew each other either. We just ended up in this area. It was weird. You know, I met Josh, guy pulled in front of me, Brad, and the guy pulled behind me, and we had 4 Crowns together.
Yep.
It was great. So no, it's been a good trip actually. But not much else to tell you really. Everything's pretty self-explanatory.
All right. Well, thank you for the tour.
Thank you. You're welcome anytime.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of that latest rig. I will have a new one next Saturday. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. So make sure you don't miss them. Lots of cool rigs coming up this year. See you down the road, my friends. Stay safe.